What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sonya Lauren, and I am back with another video. So I'm back, and today I will be telling you guys how you can get a slim waist. Okay, if you tuned into this video, you're probably interested on knowing how can I get a slim waist. Okay, summer 2020 is approaching pretty fast, if you ask me, and I know y'all want them summer 2020 bodies. Y'all want to be snatched, okay, period. And I just want to give you guys some tips on how you could get a slim waist before the summer approaches, okay? Because I'm already knowing y'all want them summer bodies. I basically love to do research on certain things, and I love to help you guys out. So yeah, I do the research so y'all don't have to do it. Okay, so I broke these tips and tricks up into two different categories. One category is diet and another category is fitness. So we're gonna start with diet, okay? Hold on, before I get into it, y'all need to go get y'all notebooks, okay, period, because I'm not just saying this, like, this is stuff that's actually gonna work. So I need y'all to write it down, take your phone out if you're on your phone, get a notebook, pen, paper, whatever you gotta do, and let's get it. Okay, so the first category is diet. All right, so tip number one is you cannot out-train a bad diet. You just can't. Like, I don't care what you do. You can go to the gym 20 times a week. I know that makes no sense, but you can go 20 times a week, and if your diet is BS, you will see BS results, as in probably none. You get what I'm saying? So diet is super important when it comes to toning up your waist and just toning up your body overall and seeing those gains in the right places. But let's stick to slim waist, okay? All right, so tip number one, change your diet. You want to make sure you're consuming foods that's going to give you the results that you're looking for. All right. Tip number two is to incorporate more fiber in your diet. Okay, so fiber can be something like oatmeal. Super easy to make, super delicious if you add fresh fruits. If you add fresh strawberries to oatmeal, y'all, so bomb, so good. Delicioso at its finest. But yeah, okay, so incorporate fiber-rich foods. These types of foods help to normalize bowel movements, which minimizes bloating and blockages. So y'all know when y'all eat certain foods and y'all feel like bloated and your stomach be looking like you pregnant? Yeah, we don't want that in 2020. So you gotta make sure you're eating a lot of fiber, okay? Tip number three, drink a lot of water. Water keeps you hydrated, it flushes your system, and guess what? It reduces bloating. So not only do you want to eat a lot of fiber, but you also want to drink a lot of water, okay? Tip number four, this is something that I just learned. Do not sip your drinks with straws. Now hold on, let me keep going. Straws help to suck more air into your stomach as you drink, which actually leads to bloating. So y'all notice a pattern in all the steps that I'm telling y'all about your diet. You want to steer away from foods that causes you to bloat, okay? But basically with the straw thing, apparently when you drink something with a straw, it forms more air in your stomach and it can cause you to bloat. So yeah, that was just something I learned through research, but if y'all disagree, I mean, hey. Step number five is to avoid processed foods. Processed foods typically have higher sugar and starch content, which limit weight loss. Okay, so you want to avoid those processed foods so that way you can be able to lose weight in all the right places, get toned up, and you're gonna be straight. So now we're gonna talk about fitness and things you should be doing fitness wise. All right, so make sure y'all still got y'all pens and paper out, period. Okay, so number 6 is commit to an exercise routine. I stress this in every video, like exercising is super important. Like if you thought that like you can get a slim waist or like a toned body without exercise, I'm sorry, honey, but whoever told you that lied, and you need to stop lying to yourself and get in the gym, okay? So exercise, super important. Tip number 7, do plenty of cardio. Weight loss is essential when it comes to losing inches from your waist. So you want to make sure you're doing enough cardio, okay? Some people ask, what are the benefits of cardio? Weight loss, all right? To get those nice toned abs, that nice slim waist, you want to make sure you're incorporating cardio in your exercises. Don't be afraid to sweat. Tip number 8, do not be afraid to strength train. I know a lot of girls feel like, you know, they don't want to strength train. That's a guy thing. That is not true. Ladies, you can strength train too. Girls think like lifting weights can make you look bulky. That's like the biggest misconception, y'all. Like lifting weights, we can lift weights too. We won't look super buff and bulky. It actually takes women a lot more effort to get to that point than it does men. So don't ever feel like you don't want to weight lift because you don't want to get bulky. Biggest misconception, I'm here to knock that misconception down. Don't worry about that. This helps to fire up your metabolism and build muscle. The most effective workouts are high intensity circuit training routines that build muscle and burn calories at the same time. Now I'm gonna repeat that part because it's super important. The most effective workouts are high intensity circuit training routines that build muscles and burn calories at the same time. Isn't that amazing? You can build muscle and burn calories at the same time. The key is to rest very little between each workout. Okay, so y'all like, okay, honey, tell us what exercises we need to do. Okay, chill, I got y'all. Like, no, but for real. So the exercises that you can do include lunges, deadlifts, chest/shoulder presses, core exercises, bicycles, Supermans, and yeah, just overall, like, please do not have the misconception that only doing core exercises can get you a slimmer waist. Let me repeat that. Believe it or not, different exercises work different muscles at the same time, and a lot of exercises work your core too. So don't just feel like if I do these ab exercises, I'm having a slim waist. No, you want to make sure that you're being well-rounded with the exercises that you choose to incorporate in your workout. Tip number 9, avoid training your obliques directly. Many people think that training this area will help them tone up, but strengthening the muscles in that area can actually cause you to appear bigger in that area, giving you the illusion of a wider refrigerator-like look. And we don't want that. We don't look like refrigerators, okay? We want to look snatched. Like a snack. We want to look like the snack out of the refrigerator. We don't want to look like the refrigerator. Okay, that was just so lame, but y'all get what I'm trying to say, right? Okay, cool. So avoid training your obliques directly. You don't want that refrigerator look. Number 10, overall, be active throughout the day. Don't sit for long periods of time. Y'all, we in school, them classes be like an hour and 30 minutes, 50 minutes. If you gotta go stretch, go stretch. You need some water, go get some water. You don't want to sit for long periods of time because that's not gonna help you get a slim waist, okay? So let me just give you guys 2 tips, 2 extra tips. Y'all know I always gotta throw some little extra tips in there for y'all to help you get to your slim waist journey. Tip number 1, workout recovery is key in achieving any fitness goal. I don't care if it's your stomach, you're trying to get flat, or your waist, you're trying to get slimmer. I don't care if it's a bigger butt. I don't care if it's wider shoulders, whatever you want. Workout recovery is key, okay? And make sure you get plenty of sleep. Like, y'all do not be sleeping, okay? Y'all need to make sure y'all get some sleep. And also, meditate if you're into that. Always find ways to de-stress, okay? Another tip that I can give you guys is buy a waist trainer. Now, I encourage this while working out because, like, it helps you sweat like crazy. One, when you sweat, you know that you're going crazy. Like, honestly, if you ain't sweating, you're not working hard enough. But, like, for the most part, it can help you shred. You know what I'm saying? And I promise you, if you like, man, I need to sweat, wear a waist trainer for sure while you're working out. Some people say that waist trainers don't work. I personally never really like I've used one, but I haven't used one long enough to be like, yeah, this works, yeah, this doesn't work. Soon I will be like actually taking it serious and probably wearing it every time to see if I see a difference. But for the most part, what I've figured out from the waist trainer that I have is it make you sweat like crazy. And I don't mean no little sweat, I mean dripping. You're gonna be dripping, but not in the way that you want to drip. But anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I love you guys so much. Like, oh my god, my channel is growing, and it's just, at this point, is beyond me. Like, I'm so blessed, I'm so grateful. I love everybody who tunes into my videos every week. You guys are loved and appreciated. Yeah, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this on my channel. And I love you guys so freaking much. Be sure to subscribe. Also, when you click that subscribe button, click the bell next to the subscribe button, because YouTube doesn't tell my subscribers when I post, and I don't have time for it. Honestly, I need y'all to watch my videos, because what's the point of me making it if nobody's gonna watch it? But anyway, I love you guys, and bye.
'Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. 'Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Yeah, I'm the MVP, most valuable player, That's who I be. 'Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. 'Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Yeah, I'm the MVP, most valuable player, That's who I be.